Good day, good afternoon. Today is August 5, 2025. I just remind you or update the price of gold. 6 years ago, the price of gold was 47,343 per kilo. That was 6 years ago. I remind everyone on my YouTube platform and on my Facebook that this gold would increase in the years to come. There is a possibility that the gold will turn to 50, 55, 60, 70, 80,000 per kilo. Today is August 5, 109, 200 per kilo. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that gold is getting higher and higher? Why the gold is too expensive? Gold has many uses. Gold can make into earrings. Gold can make into false teeth. Gold can make into figurine. Gold can make into $1, $2. Gold can make into 99.99. Gold can make into necklace just like this one. And gold can make into bracelet and wedding ring. So, big spender can afford to purchase. But if you're a small spender and you don't have a capital, and then you are asking CIF, cost, insurance, and freight, to me, you have a shortfall of cash flow. To me, you are going to leverage. It wouldn't work at all. Now, the gold is getting higher. 109. Today is August 5, 2025. Before end of August, before end of 2025, the gold could be 4,500. Could be. Multiply that to 32.15. Could be. This could be the price. I don't know if you can afford it. I don't know. Middle of 2026, there is a prediction that the gold will turn to 5,000 per ounce. 5,000 per ounce, multiply that 32.15. This could be. I don't know if you can afford it. Per kilo. So, what are you waiting for? Wilhelmina is always giving an update on her YouTube platform and on Facebook. Go on my Facebook. You will see what you are buying. And when you see my platform on Facebook, there's a picture, there's a message, and there is a video. Pay attention. Read the message on the screen, because I don't send procedure anymore. I wouldn't. I had enough. I've given everyone an opportunity. If you bump this video, listen. Pay attention watching this video. Read the wording on the screen. Then that is the time you make a decision. I know you've been window shopping. I know. It would not take so long that the price could turn to 110, because the price of gold, it fluctuates just like a skyrocket. And the dollar, US dollar, has been devalued. And we are the world inflation right now. So when the world is under inflation, commodities goes up. Can you imagine? 6 years ago, I mentioned that on my YouTube platform, that the price of gold today, that was 6 years ago, 47,343. Bank now, because there is a possibility that the gold will turn to skyrocket. That was 6 years ago. 47,343,000 per kilo. Today, August 5, 1,900, 109. Right, 109 per kilo. So I don't know if you can afford. 109,000 per kilo. Mhm. So, so instead of running around and dealing with the chain of joker broker, you are going to be frustrated. And no one is showing you this kind of information except Wilhelmina Ford. Wilhelmina Ford, based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. Wilhelmina Ford has been hired by the owner of the gold who produced gold in Mali, Conakry, and Sierra Leone. So go on my platform on Facebook. You will see the procedure there. Every picture and video has a message. Now you are not buying 109 because that 109 is already refined. You are buying unrefined. That is the reason why we give you discount. So that when you refine it and sell it to your own end customer, you get a profit. Now, on the first trial, you wouldn't get much profit because you only buy 10 kilos or 20 kilos. But if you buy 100 kilos, yes, guaranteed you will get a handsome profit. Your profit could be $8,000 per kilo, more than that. But it depends on your capacity. Now, remember when you come for conference, our conference is automatically recorded. Our conference automatically live. You don't need to be scared because it is very, very important for the world to know our conversation. You don't need to hide. You don't need to be ashamed. You don't need to be scared. A minute you're going to be scared, meaning to say you are a fly by night. A real buyer doesn't talk too much. Only bullshit buyer talk bullshit. Pretending to be a buyer. Now, this gold is not CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. This is FOB, bank-to-bank payment. Now, you're going to say, well, Amina, what is the procedure? Now, number one, you watch this video, right? Come for conference. I will interview you why you want to buy gold. What is the purpose? And where the gold to be delivered. Number two, after our conference live video call, send me a copy of your business registration. Show me your importation license. Show me your passport copy. And show me the proof of fund that you have $1 million. And show me a certificate of money laundering that your fund is clean, not involved on illegal activities. Once I validated your paper, because you already asked question and your question has been answered during our live video conference, you will receive your confirmation of your order. 20 kilos or 100 kilos, you will receive the seller's mining license and export license. Then you will receive the contract. And before you receive the contract, I will gather your address, where the gold to be delivered, who is your consignee, and which country. You have to specify that during our conversation. Right. Then you will receive everything from our end. Wilhelmina will validate you. Once I validate your credential, your background, I will determine which seller I'm going to take you to Africa, because gold selling very fast. Sometimes my seller has no stock because my seller has an existing client and you are a new client of Wilhelmina. So therefore, I need to ask how many quantity you want, where you gonna bring the gold. If you're gonna bring gold to Dubai, then I would know either in Mali, Conakry, or Sierra Leone. Right. So then you will receive the contract, the price, and the carats and the purity. Now, on this video, I mentioned a while ago, you are buying unrefined, which is 22 plus, equivalent to 23. The purity of the gold from 95, 96, 97.5. It depends on every bar. So the gold has to be ASI to a country where the gold coming from, so that you will see the carats and the purity. So if you are really very vigilant, better buy your own gold analyzer. You can buy that $10,000 online. Nowadays, you can purchase products online. You purchase the product, you purchase gold online via Wilhelmina, because Wilhelmina was been hired by the owner of the gold. That is why you bump into my platform on YouTube or on my Facebook. Facebook is better if you subscribe, read it, because I put my video, I put the price on the screen and the picture. So you analyze the picture whether you are capable to invest into gold, because gold is an investment. You invest in gold in order to get the profit, because your paper money has devalue. And if you put your money into your bank account term deposit, 3% a year interest. But if you buy gold every month, your investment, you make a handsome profit. Probably you make $140,000 profit or $200,000 profit. It depends on the quantity you are purchasing. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. It's not worth it for you to travel. There is a minimum for you to accumulate the profit. You invest $1 million, you make a profit 140 or 180,000. Don't bank on it, because you have not decided. I'm just giving you preempt. So it's better you purchase big quantity, maybe 20 or 50 kilos or 100 kilos. 10 kilos is not much, but make it 15. Yes, you can make a profit. Now, our selling price, LBMA, you must remember, no one is giving you for free. Nobody is giving you gold for sample. Gold is not a sample. Gold is money. We don't give money away to a stranger. So better be attentive to this video. The message is on the screen. When you bump into my YouTube channel, you subscribe and click below, give me a comment, give me a thumb. If you give me a thumb, you're a winner. If you don't give me a thumb or give me a comment, you wouldn't be able to learn. Make a comment whether you understand or not. So don't be scared with Wilhelmina, because this is for you, Mr. Buyer. You're gonna say, Wilhelmina, where is the gold coming from? It depends where you live, where you're coming from. So I'm gonna bring gold to Dubai, okay? Conakry, Guinea, direct flight Emirates. Conakry, Guinea, there's a Sky Cargo. Their office is on the airport. So you have to plan. You're gonna, just a moment. Yeah.
Good morning. May I speak with Wilhelm?
Sorry, I was being interrupted by a long distance from United States. But anyway, let's go back to this gold investment. You invest gold in order to make profit. Why you want to buy gold? Gold is a tax haven, and gold is the preservation against inflation. I know everyone wanting to invest in order to increase their portfolio. Gold is better. Okay? Instead of putting money in the bank, your profit, your investment is only 3%. Gold, your profit, I can tell you in a year's time, if you continue buying, 80% profit. For 12 months, guaranteed, you will get the profit if you found a real seller. In Africa, there's a lot of issue. Okay? I know you are looking for cheap price. My dear, gold is not cheap. Mhm. Gold is premium. That is the reason why you were being disaster. I call that disaster. Why? Someone offered you pay taxes. My dear, gold is taxable. When you purchase commodity, you buy the products plus government sales tax. That is normal. That is an income of the country. Now you're gonna say, oh, I don't want to pay upfront. There is no upfront. There's none. You make your order, reservation, we call that, subject for inspection when you travel. Now, when I got your credential, I will determine which seller I'm going to put you, and then I will send your credential to my head office that I validated you. The head office will issue the landing visa for you and for me. I live in Brisbane and you live somewhere else, you need the landing visa as a company guest. Now, you're gonna say, well, Amina, what is your role? That is a very good question. My role is to promote Africa. Africa is the main source of precious mineral, gas, cashew, cocoa, diamond, gold, bauxite, and so forth. So I focus to handle gold and diamond. Okay? Now, gold is selling very fast. You must remember, the price of gold is getting higher and higher. So there is a prediction, as I mentioned a few seconds ago, that the gold will turn to 4,500 times 32.15. Okay, 4,500. This is the price on the world market. This is refined. You are not buying refined. You are buying unrefined, called gold bar doré. The gold bar doré is 22 plus, equivalent to 23. The carats, the purity, from 95, 96, 97. Sometimes goes to 97.50, sometimes 97.5. It depends on every bar. Now, most of you guys who live overseas, I am Australian. I was born in the Philippines, okay? So don't underestimate Africa. You're gonna say, scam, scam. You're one of the scammer. You are. You're asking cheap price, you bargain. You ask for CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. You are a scammer because you don't have cash. You are going to leverage. I don't know if your money is clean. Because if your money is not clean, you're gonna encounter disaster. There are so many illegal activities going on this gold industry. Make sure before you make a decision, make sure you have money standby in your bank account that you are able to afford to buy 15 kilos or 20 kilos. More than $1 million already. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, what is the discount? Our discount, you are buying unrefined, 5%. So the price of gold I mentioned ago, on your, you go back to the screen that I put that on the screen. On every time that I open my mouth, the wording is on the screen. Less 5%, use your calculator. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, too expensive. Well, you are in business, you're buying expensive item. Now, you have two options. Wilhelmina will take you to Africa. Wilhelmina will give you 8%. Which one you like? 5% you travel I will arrange the contract. You review it, and then you, I will connect you to my seller. Then you communicate. You travel by yourself. If there is an issue, Wilhelmina is far away from you. Don't blame Wilhelmina. If I'll come with you, less 8%, tax included, you're a winner. But if I'll take you to Conakry or Sierra Leone or Mali, don't go behind my back. If I'll take you, let's work together in order for you to get what you are looking for. There was a client of mine, and they were excited. They are very shrewd. They go behind my back. If I mention their names, I'm telling you, this guy would be embarrassed. But this guy, in the beginning, he was very nice. He's very, very friendly with Wilhelmina. A minute that he saw the gold, he go behind my back, and he think he can do what he want. That's fine. And before he flew, he watched the movie Blood Diamond, and he's getting paranoid before he arrived. Not knowing, he hired a security guard. And I told him, why you hired security guard for? The gold is not in your hand. And when I meet that security guard, he hired an agency, the guy that I meet on the lobby, I saw the guy, is just like a gypsy. So he paid the security guard. Of course, you have to pay in advance. Disaster. And guys, I do charge $20,000. My travel cost, that is my extra service. If you cannot afford to pay $20,000 and I've given you 8%, tax included, you have no money at all. I have the power to reject you, and I have the power to negotiate you. Either I can give you 10%, because you are paying my extra service, and we will travel together because you don't know the seller, and I know the seller. Now, it doesn't matter if I know my seller. African sellers is very hard to deal with. If you keep on bargain, he can reject you. Yeah? He can reject you on the spot. So that is the reason why when you come for conference, make sure that you are really very honest. Because I am honest, and my 20,000 is non-refundable. Take it or leave it. Because that $20,000, it covers my traveling cost and miscellaneous. It's non-refundable. So that is the reason why I gather your credentials and information. One customer, he didn't even show his proof of fund because I trust him. And he can only afford 10 kilos. So I vouch him. And he was talking to Wilhelmina last year, November 12, 2024. And I was giving him a really good negotiation. When the price was high, the seller changed his mind. Because that the price was given to him was already overdue. So there was a little bit of issue. So that is the reason why I am sharing you, so that when I take you, there would be no issue at all. So this is a learning experience with you guys. And if you have less capital, don't bother to invest in gold business. Keep your money and save more. If you want to be involved in gold business, yes, this is a profitable business. And if you registered your company in Dubai, you're gonna spend money as well. So my services is not for free. you bump into my video, you are giving knowledge worth $1 million. When I was talking to a gentleman, a guy from Germany, his name is Philip. He's a professor of university in Conakry, Guinea. And he said to me, well, Amina, you are giving too much information. Your information is worth $1 billion. I was laughing. I told Philip, yes, I'm very kind and generous. But most of those idiot buyers, excuse my language, for taking for granted. Don't take him for granted for this business, because if you are just taking for granted, I can guarantee you, you are going to stumble down. Guaranteed. And then, if you don't get the gold and you have been rejected, you're going to say, scam, scam. You're part of. You're part of. What is the meaning of scam on the old version? You deceive yourself. And the seller also will deceive you. Yes. I'll give you a parable in life. Judas is the disciple of Jesus, right? Jesus had 12 disciples. And who betrayed Jesus? Judas. Judas sold Jesus of 17 sterling just to get the money to the enemy. And he betrayed his master. Buying gold, exactly the same. You can be betrayed or you betrayed yourself. So I hope you understand that. I'm giving you the parable in life. Why is so many Judas surrounding us? Your wife can be Judas. Your brother can be Judas. Your friend can be Judas. Everybody can be Judas. Why? Temptation. Money is the root of evil. Yes. Does any seller explain to you like this? No. Does any broker explain to you like this? None. So now, I have so many inquiry here. So now, you bump into my platform on YouTube. I'm no longer putting procedure. You get my number. I will put my contact number on this screen or on my YouTube channel. Just listen on this video. Let this video finish it. And then when you finish watching this video, click below, get my contact, and let's have a video call. Because I need to know who you are. You need to open your camera. Don't be shy. A minute you don't open your camera, you are not a buyer. I don't have to waste my time. I have been wasting my time to share the knowledge. I had enough. Knowledge is very important. Seller would not give you this knowledge. Nah. I know I've been to Africa. I even Istanbul, different clients, different shrewd client, different to call this traitor client or Judas client. I mentioned that a while ago. So because of money. So I don't need to waste my time. You just watch this video. When I open my mouth, there's a message on this video. Yeah? And as I've said to you, the price, it varies day to day. Now, the time here is 1:52 in the afternoon, which is July 5. I'm going to have a look on gold because the gold, it fluctuates every half an hour. Okay? Okay. The price of gold today is 3,373.54 per ounce. In dollars term is 108,461.75. So down and a little bit. But it bounced back. It will bounce back. So buy now while the price is still affordable. Okay? So don't be worried. Wilhelmina is here with you. So again, I'm summarizing. Which one you like? Less 5% or more than 8%, tax included. Why I give you this? Because you are paying my extra service and I am renegotiating the discount on your behalf. At the end of the day, you are a winner. But if I'm not around, I'm not going to renegotiate 5%. You travel, exchange the credentials of buyers and sellers. You travel to Sierra Leone, you travel to Conakry, you travel to Mali, and I would not entertain if you are in Conakry, or you are in Mali, or you are in Sierra Leone. I only entertain when I validated you. I only entertain when I'm going to have live interview with you why you were stuck in Africa. Something wrong with you. If you've been stuck in Africa, why? You travel, you were being offered, and when you travel, the seller say no, 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 because of your attitude. African sellers are very hard to deal with. Don't underestimate African. African is in control with his product, and you are in control of your money as well. And Wilhelmina is in control. That is why I am interviewing you, because I have the power to say yes or no towards you, and I have the power to say reject. And when you're gonna be rejected, you're gonna say it's scam. No, you are one of the scammer because you don't tell the truth. You don't share your background. How can I help you if you don't be honest with you? I cannot help you. So I think I explained to you on this video, because I'm no longer giving procedure. I will give you my contact. Come for conference. If you're from Dubai, download Botim. Okay? Let's have a video call. Then I would know whether you are capable to pay or not. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, August 5. The time now is almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. When you wake up, you might bump into this video. You might be running around and collecting information. I'm here. There is no gold in Brisbane. This is my virtual office. The gold is in Africa. Don't expect that you want to see me, because there is no gold here. So I hope you understand. I'm here. If you want to buy gold, fine. If you're still window shopping, it is your privilege. It is your opportunity. Thank you very much, and a pleasant good morning again, or good afternoon, or good evening, whatever you are. I'm here. Just open your camera. Let us have video call conference.